Welcome to today's video, where we will tackle a common data matching problem. In this case, the problem revolves around aligning expected and observed data sets. The goal is to match observations to descriptions based on a predefined order, while halting the matching process upon encountering the first inconsistency. Now let's delve into the solution for this problem. The key lies in leveraging cumulative evaluation using the pl.Expr.cum_sim function. By constructing a when-then otherwise statement, we can propagate null values beyond the initial inconsistency. The code provided utilizes this approach by checking for null values and propagating them accordingly. Expanding on the code snippet, we can observe how the null values are propagated within an increasing window. The resulting output showcases the descriptions aligned with the corresponding times, with null values correctly handled post-inconsistency. This ensures a seamless and accurate matching process, even in the presence of disruptions. To enhance the solution further, we can apply this logic across distinct groups defined by the ID column. By incorporating a window function using pl.Expr.id, we can evaluate the null value propagation independently for each unique ID. This enables a streamlined and efficient matching process tailored to each specific group, ensuring precise alignment within individual cases. In summary, by implementing cumulative evaluation and a tailored grouping approach, we have successfully addressed the data matching problem, ensuring accurate alignment of observations with expected descriptions. I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!